This thing's almost like 2-story high. Straight, tie it down good. This is your outtake air, right? You want to tie it up a little bit. Ooh, you see that popped out? I mean, they're like $1 a piece or like that. That's what you guys want, right? It's dry because it will mold. If you have a hard time taking the stick out, you always put 2 of them together. Like, just gotta wrap it up, Dylan. There you go. I got these 6-inch stake, metal stake. Especially in this windy weather, you're gonna need that to hold down the anchor, hold down the water slide. So here goes. Probably anchor this one first. Just, you can get it wiggle. Dry, very dry. Anchor that and then slowly kind of work around. This thing's almost like 2-story high. I think last time we brought it out was last summer, right, girls? Dylan? It's so wrinkly. It's been a while. It's been about a little bit over a year, right? Or less than a year. Once you get it really big, you anchor it down. Okay. Also, you want to make sure this is straight. Straight, tie it down good. This one actually got tied. This is your outtake air, right? You want to tie it up a little bit. Ooh, you see that popped out? I usually do a shoestring tie. So when you're done, you can pop it out. Got a little air coming out, so we're gonna anchor it. You get these at Walmart, pretty cheap. I mean, they're like $1 a piece or $2. When you're done, take a blow, dry it out. You don't, it will mold. So I'll show you that at the end. I'm gonna get these pretty down low so the kids don't hit their toe. You guys, hey girls and Evan, you guys watch out for these, okay? You go around and it will hurt you guys. So. Okay, you see that tension? I'm pulling it so I have a little tension. Okay. But yeah, you just go around and do all that, anchor it down. All right, so we got it all set up here, guys. Look at this. This is cool. Turn on the foam canyon later here. Let the kids wear the alligator out, get burned out a little bit. I just want to show how we set up the tarp. We wrapped 2x4s in the corners, so it'd be pretty stable. Oop, it's raining here, or not raining, but the sprinkler. So it'd be a little bit stable. You actually can cut this out here and wrap it up a little bit nicer, but we're gonna try it first with just the side. But as you can see here, we're trying to get where the kids can slide down. Let's see here. Whoa, that works pretty good, right? We just gotta get that end down there, fix that up a little bit.
Dad, this one is hot.
Eden, let's see. Whoa, Eden. Nice. Awesome. Oh, whoa. You just gotta spread it out. You wanna spread it out quickly? And let it dry. And this also, you wanna make sure it's dry because it will mold. Just hold like this, so windy out. Go this way, babe. There you go. Woo! This would dry real quick. The wind, yeah, the wind will pretty dry it out real quick, huh? Got it? If you have a hard time taking the stick out, you always put two of them together like this and pull it off. Blow off, or that's gonna be molded. Gotta lay on it. Try to. So when you're there, it's hard, but we all kind of lay on it. Just gotta get the air out. Now we just gotta fold up really small as possible. Get it. Hey Dylan, we're gonna need your help, we're gonna need your muscle. But I think this thing weighs like 150 pounds or something, so pretty heavy. No, just gotta wrap it up, Dylan. Dylan, get this, get this. Lay on it. See this hole, you wanna record that part, see the air coming out. You want that air to show so you can kinda, it gets flat. All right, Dylan. See that?